Look, I am having a wonderful time in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Sexy, crazy, cool, exciting. This is a terrific city. I have done it all. I've gone to Sugarloaf, I've seen the Christ Redeemer, I've hit Copacabana Beach, I've even enjoyed some of the nightlife. But more importantly, I want you guys to check it out. So let's do it.
Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, the second largest city in Brazil and home to the world's best national football team. This wonderful Brazilian city is crazy, sexy, cool.
Like Rio?
I do not like Rio.
Yeah.
I love Rio. Come on, seriously.
It's a monster.
It doesn't get any better than this.
Is it your first time?
Second time.
Oh, this is my second time too.
What do you enjoy most though?
I love the culture. I love the culture. I love the culture.
The city is filled with beautiful beaches, lush rainforests, and awesome natural wonders like the Sugarloaf. Of course, there's the glitzy nightlife. The city really comes to life after the sun sets.
It's just something about Rio that just, the setting just makes it just right. So you had to have a blast when you came out here to shoot the movie, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
But how much did you actually shoot here? Because you were in different locations, right?
Yeah, we weren't here enough.
Not enough?
Yeah, we weren't enough.
I'm gonna put you on the spot with this one. If you each had to use one of your songs to describe the atmosphere of Rio, which one would it be?
Pimping all over the world.
Wow.
Yeah, he came with that one quick.
I wish I had a piece of that song, because that is absolutely what it is.
That is the theme song of the week. That's the theme song of the week.
Pimping all over the world.
You gotta love Rio, man. Like,
Signs of love making.
This is not a backdrop. This is not a green screen in the background. We are here.
No,
this is
real.
actual. You see these mountains, you see the water. We are not working. It's like we're on vacation. It made us, work even better. It's like stress-free.
Yeah,
no,
it's
cool.
very stress-free. At the same time, it's really hard to focus out here. You know what I'm saying? It's like, it's so much voluptuous, bootylicious, bodacious.
Take your time.
Yeah, you gotta take your time. You gotta take your time to get this. You gotta get it right so the people watching clearly understand how it really goes down.
Rio is the unofficial party capital of the world and the city you have to include in your travel plans.
That's why you do this, right?
It is. It's definitely a dream come true, and it's especially sweet for me because I used to live here as a kid. I lived here from age 6 to 10, so. And I have family here that are going to go to the premiere tomorrow, so it's amazing to be able to be here.
So this is extra special for you.
It is extra special for me.
Sean Edwards, I Love Black Movies TV in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.